Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how and when it is time to take the tops out of your tomato plants. Here's a clip from the show. We are 8 weeks out from the end of this garden season, so from blossom to tomato is 8 weeks. So I can take the top out of the tomato plants above the last set of blossoms because I don't need, or I won't need the tomatoes that will be above that because they'll be green. I mean, we'll have some green tomatoes, so I don't need an over amount. So what I want to do is go through my tomatoes, and we're just going to take the top out. So here's the flower set that I want to keep. I'm going to cut that above the leaf there, and I'm going to take the sucker out. Okay, so that's the way that we end the season with the tomato plants. And usually I'll keep a leaf above our last fruit set. The reason that I do that is if I want to put a clip on, I got that leaf to hold that. This with fruit as we get towards the end. So we'll do this other one as well. Take that out, take this sucker off. And we'll go through and take the suckers off of here and just top all these plants. And then we'll just be ripening, so that helps the plant to send all their energy to the fruit that it's already set, and we'll get some very nice sets of fruit towards the end of the season. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 25. If you want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.